Welcome to the RV Dog channel. We're starting to get some squall lines through, getting a little bit of rain. The wind is picking up. It's about 15 to 20 knot winds. Trees are starting to blow. Small branches are coming out of the trees. I checked the offshore weather, and the seas are up to 15 feet, 20 miles out of Cape Canaveral. Winds blowing 25 to 30 knots. So this is just the beginning. Been watching the news on the Bahamas, and the Bahamas are just devastated. Tide surge inundated just about everybody. A lot of flooding, destruction. They're predicting the storm's gonna skirt up our coast. So we should have not as bad as weather as the Bahamas. But I suspect it will be bad. So thank you for watching the RV Dog channel, and we'll keep you updated. Stay safe.